All right, fresh rebuild, first print. Actually, it's not the first print, but I changed. I had to. I was getting not great input shaping numbers, and so I redid the tension on the belts, reran input shaping. This is 0.3 layer height too, if anybody's concerned. I know bamboo users, they're like, 0.3, we only print in 0.1. 0.08 is my layer height. I'm like, yeah, I print in a man's layer height. 0.3, son. 0.3. I print in big boy layer heights, not in little tiny layer heights. I just like giving bamboo people a hard time. It always gets more comments. My favorite's when bamboo people tell me, they're like, my printer's superior because it's a Core XY. And I'm like, clearly, you know what Core XY printers are.